Hello everyone, myself Bhagavati GHODE, second year B Pharmacy student from Shivajirao Jondhale College of Pharmacy. Dr. Nitin Mohire sir guided me for this video. So today I am sharing you some information about primary metabolites in plants. So let's get started. In this video, we will see the introduction, history, what are metabolites, our main point, primary metabolite, and some common examples of primary metabolites. Introduction. Metabolites are the intermediates and products of metabolism, are typically characterized by small molecules with various functions. Metabolites can be categorized into two parts. First is primary metabolite, second one is secondary metabolites. The history behind the primary metabolites is the word metabolism is derived from the Greek word metabolismos, or the form of the French word metabolism. Metabolism and metabolic pathways have been studied over several centuries and has moved from examining individual metabolic reactions in modern biochemistry and molecular biology. Now, what are metabolites? Metabolites are the intermediates and products of metabolism. In the term metabolite is usually restricted to a small molecule. A primary metabolite is directly involved in normal growth, development and reproduction. For example, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. A secondary metabolite is not involved in those processes but usually has an important ecological function. For example, includes antibiotics, etc. So, our main part, primary metabolite. A primary metabolite is a kind of metabolite that is directly involved in normal growth, development and reproduction. It usually performs a physiological function in the organism, that is an intrinsic function. A primary metabolite is typically present in many organisms or cells. Primary metabolites present in all plants, reserve foods. Primary metabolites are involved in maintaining normal physiological process. Thus, it often referred to as a central metabolite. There are some common examples of primary metabolites are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid and hormones. So, examples of primary metabolites. First is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehyde or hydroxyketone or compound that on hydrolysis produce either of above. Carbohydrates have the basic composition such as acetic acid, lactic acid. The source of carbohydrates is plant kingdom, first product of photosynthesis. Carbohydrates are among the first product to arise as a result of photosynthesis, providing an important food reserve synthesized by plant using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water to glucose and oxygen. Polymers include starch and cellulose. Most sugars have formula CnH2ON, hydrate of carbon. The second one example is lipids. Lipids are fixed oils and waxes are esters of long-chain fatty acids and alcohols of closely related derivatives. The chief difference between these substances is a type of alcohol. First is in fixed oil and fats. The alcohol is glycerol combines with the fatty acids. In waxes, the alcohol has higher molecular weight. Example is acetyl alcohol. The definition of lipids. Lipids that are in liquid form at 15.5 degrees Celsius to 16.5 degrees Celsius are called fixed oil. Chemically, they are esters of glycerol and various straight chain monocarboxylic acids known as fatty acids. Lipids are the substance of either plant or animal origin. They are hydrophobic or sometimes amphobic substance, soluble in nonpolar or semipolar organic solvents. They are non-volatile and gets fixed over the filter paper if the oil seed is pressed on it, so they reserved as a fixed oil. The basic function storage. The basic function of lipid is storage of energy. They are used in medicine and industry. Third one example, proteins. Proteins are large biomolecules and micromolecules that comprise one or more long chains of amino acids. Residues. Proteins are complex nitrogenous organization substances. They function living cells and produced by and associate with living matter, essential foodstuffs, and provide therapeutically active compounds such as antioxidants, etc. Easily extractable from plants. Stored in grain in plants. So, the references are given below. The acknowledgments are Dr. Shivajirao S. Jondhale, the President of the College, Dr. Geeta Khare, Secretary, and Dr. Nitin Mohire, Principal, Sir. I hope you like this video and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.